We're getting some big breaking updates coming in right now. TMC skips all party meeting of opposition. TMC MPs stress on that parliament should run while Congress leaders state that no parliament will function till Adani issue is not discussed. And big update coming in. Because remember, the opposition's all party meeting has begun before the parliament resumes later in the day. Now, TMC is skipping the all party meeting which has been called by the Indy bloc. This meeting is being chaired by Kharge, and from what we understand, the TMC MPs say that the parliament should run. I repeat, the parliament should run. But Congress leaders say that no parliament will function till the Adani issue is addressed. So this is a big update coming in right now. Definitely, we can expect a lot of fireworks, in the parliament later on over multiple issues. And this is what we are learning of right now. We'll try to go across to my colleague in a short while, but the proceedings in both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, remember, have been washed out in the first week of the winter session. They're marred by protest, by the opposition over a host of issues, including the Adani case, Manipur, violence in Sambal, and as the all-party meeting has begun at Kharge's residence, where they are going to go ahead and discuss a lot of issues, we are coming to know, viewers, that the TMC is not going to repeat. It's not going to be part of that all-party meeting of the opposition which is taking place, because we see that there seems to be a division in the Indy bloc over the parliament session and what the demands are. Remember that the Congress wants a discussion on the Adani issue, and they will be going ahead and demanding a discussion on the Adani issue. This is coming in ahead of the parliament session, which will begin again 11 a.m. onwards. And we can expect a lot of fireworks with the division within the TMC and the Indy alliance over the running of the parliament and the issues which should be discussed in the parliament. We have to take a short break because we will be getting our viewers top updates. Puducherry is battling cyclone Fengal aftermath. The army has been roped in for rescue relief operations. Stay tuned. Help with the aftermath, the rescue and relief efforts. And I just want to go across to my colleague joining us right now, Aneri, who has been on the ground and is getting us all these updates. Torrential downpour is what many areas have seen, Aneri. If you could take our viewers through, what is the situation right now. We know that rescue and relief operations are still underway. And even the authorities and leaders have called Cyclone Fengal quite strong in the damage which was left behind in the aftermath of the cyclone.
Well, that's right, Shivangi. What we have been seeing is that the aftermath of Cyclone Fengal has definitely caused a lot, because at many areas we have seen how severe the cyclone has been and its impact because of the heavy rains which we had seen in the last 24 hours in Puducherry and also in the neighboring districts, especially in the neighboring districts of Puducherry. We have been seeing how there has been massive rains. We are just in the nearing place to Puducherry. As you can see, this is a very river which was witnessed in this village in the neighboring place, and also all the residential areas were submerged in the water. As you can see now, how the houses at the riverbed also have been submerged in water. There's a bus which also has been submerged in water, and also not only that, there is because this is a flyover and people are not allowed to stand here. Police officials, there are police officials who have been monitoring the situation very closely.